Here we go with part 2 of the video. What we were just talking about, and this is my third Bandicam video. Sorry you can only see the bottom part of my face. It's okay because I'm wearing one of the breathers anyway, so who cares? I think that's why my nose looks kind of like open, like, wow, man. But really it's just one of the breathers holding it open. Okay, so anyway, what we got here is in the F. All right, let's look at it up here. Okay, so here's the 7. E is the 7th of F, right? So green is the E. There's green. There's E. Nothing up my sleeve. Okay, so you get the E, and you get the blue note B. Excuse me. E goes to A, right? Okay, yeah, that's light blue. A is light blue right there. And then you get the the 4th of A would be the D, back over to here, because we're using this little kind of chamber octave. Okay, it reminds me of a chamber of some sort. So we got to keep going around it, and then D goes to G, which is the red note. Okay, now in the normal guitar tuning with the warp, then we go to the B, and then it goes back to 4th. So it goes from the B to the E. Okay, so here's our R now. And what I want to talk about is a caged uh, position, which is, say when we want to do it in A up here, right? Now this will actually come out, gosh, it would come out in F if I played it on the piano. If I played the piano, open the piano up, okay, and I play this. This is really on the A here. You can see it. It's pretty much halfway down. It's on this particular fret, which is the 5th fret, right? Right. We'll count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm playing it. So it's the A position, but guess what it comes out as? Now, you'll get that sound according to the inversion that's being played. So it's really coming out in F, but I'm playing the A position. Let's not waste a lot of time on that. So what it is the pentatonic E-shaped scale right here. We're looking at it. Goes root 2, 3, 5, 6 R. And if you started the root on the E, you couldn't get that 3rd. You'd go this, and to get that 3rd, you'd have to come up here on the 1st string. So it wouldn't be the same thing. Okay? It wouldn't have the normal E-shaped pentatonic. That's why I'm doing the F. Okay, the E, and then you have the D-shaped pentatonic, which starts on the 2nd. Now the 2nd of F is a G note. There's the red note, G, right there. And how does that go? And how do we use these patterns? Well, these patterns, believe it or not, are married to the warped cage system. How is that? It starts on the 2nd. It goes up in short intervals, okay? These are whole steps, whole step, whole step. And it's really a pentatonic scale, 2, 3, 5, 6, R2. So on the piano, it would be oh gosh, starting on the G, but the G was actually the E flat in my piano, so it would be, okay, and here it's, okay, why is that doing that? I'm not sure why it's doing that. But anyway, to make a long story short, what we were talking about, I kind of lost our train of thought here. The D-shaped pentatonic right here is, and that's actually an F. There's the D-shaped F, 5R3. Okay, 5R3 is the C, the F, and the light blue, which is the A. Okay, so that's part of the F. Okay, that's second inversion. Okay, the C, the F, and part of the A. It would be something like that. Okay, so that's what the D position is, and when we stay in the F scale, okay, that D, that second position is called the Dorian, and it will actually come out a minor. It comes out F major, but G minor Dorian. Now let's talk about this. That looks familiar, because that's this exact pattern, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, R2. Can you see the pattern? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, R2. So for the bottom four strings before you hit the warp, it's the same as the unwarped pure patterns. All you have to know is these guys. Just these two things. Just memorize them with the numbers, and it's as simple as, I know what a piano looks like. I can find these notes. I can find notes anywhere, you know. You can, it's just, that's all you have to know. Just memorize these. So, and of course, there's more to know that to get to fit them in and get better and better at things. So, down here, what's going on down here? Okay. On this string, we have the top part of 7R2 right there, and then it goes into the S2L, stack of 2 long, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7R. Then we go back into this one, all right? 6, the fourth of 6 is 2, right? The sixth is the of F. The sixth of F is the D, and the fourth of that would be the G. Okay, so we're going to go to that. The sixth, where is it? There it is. The sixth is going to go to the second. The second is the G again. Okay, so. Now, how can I show you how that really goes? Let me show you something. I'll show you some magic right here. All right, I'm going to copy this, okay, and then I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to put it there in that field that I just made. Now watch this. Boom. You see? Okay, it didn't fit exactly, but oh, I can still change it. See that? This is just earphone view. You can do that. So that's how they stack one on top of the other. S2L, S3S, S2L, S3S. And with the 7 here, you would stack the 3 on top of the 7, so it kind of marches over. But what it gets interesting is when you reach the warp, the tuning warp. Okay, instead of just these patterns, you see how the 7 sticks out here, it forms these shapes, these shapes. So then you get the C shape. You start the C on the third. Okay, the third is over here. All right, 3, 4, 5. So the third is going to be starting on the A. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root. 6, 7, 6, 7, root. There's an F, which is a white note, okay? Alright, so it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, root. Then we're going to go into this pattern. This whole pattern is right here for you. Once you know you're in that pattern, boom, you're up the scale again.